my first tornado, I don't care. No way. No fucking way! I'm actually gassed. If that's that... I think it is. No way. It is. It is. I've just got so much fucking adrenaline rushing through me right now. Yeah, you can take the video too. That's a fucking tornado, I'm not even joking. I actually don't even know what to do with myself. That is a tornado. I'm just, I can't even speak. Wow. We're gonna get a really good shot of it in a minute. I'm literally gassed. I'm gonna keep saying that. We're actually watching a tornado. It is a tornado. It is. That's a tornado. I'm not. This is the best day of my entire life. It doesn't have to spin. Isn't it? It literally is. Oh my god. What do I do? What do I even do with myself? This is just... I'm just going to reverse back though. Oh my god! This is the best day ever. Wow. You see all the you see the clouds rushing up. Wow. There it is. Wow. You can see the cloud pushing down. Can you see that?